everyone. My name is Poonam Mahadev Doipure. Today topic name is what is Java, JDK, JVM. Today date is October 21. JDK is a software development environment used for developing Java application and apps. It includes the Java runtime environment, JRE, an interpreter loader, Java compiler, Java C, and Achiever GAR, a documentation generator, Java doc, and other tools needed in Java development. Now we need an environment to make a run of our program. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment and may also written as a Java RTA. The Java Runtime Environment provides the minimum requirements for executing a Java applications. It consists of the Java virtual machine, JVM core classes, and supporting files. Now let us discuss JVM, which stands out for Java virtual machine. It is a specification where working of Java virtual machine is specified, but implementation provider is independent to choose the algorithm. Its implementation has been provided by Sun and other companies. Implementation is computer program that meets the requirement of the JVM specification. Runtime instance whenever you Java command prompt before the different tests between JDK, JRE, JVM, the Java core, Java array, Java string, Java oops, Java collection, Java 8 tutorial, Java multi-threading, Java expectation handling, Java program, Java project, Java collection, interview, Java interview questions, Java Spring, MVC, different between JDK, JRE and JVM. The Java development kit is a software development environment used for developing Java application and apples document other tools needed in Java. Need an environment to make a run of our program. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment and may also be written Java RTA. The Java Runtime Environment provides the minimum requirements, virtual machine, core classes, and supporting files. JVM, which stands for virtual machines. It is a specification where the working of Java virtual machine is specified, but implementation provider is independent to choose the algorithm. Its implementation has been provided by Sun and other companies, and implementations is a computer programming that meets the requirements. Java command on the command prompt to run the Java classes and instance of JVM is created. JDK, JRE and JVM. Let's discuss them brief. First them with the image below. Don't get confused, as are going to discuss all of them only by one. JDK development kit existing Java. JDK is that includes two things: development tools to provide an environment to develop your Java program. JRE to execute your Java program. JRE Java Runtime Environment is an installation package that provides an environment to only run, not develop the Java program or application onto your machine. JRE is only used to those who only want to programs are in end users system. JVM is a very important part of both JDK and JRE because it is contained or inbuilt in both. Hence, it is also known as an interpreter. also known as interpreter. JRE, in order to understand it is importance of it and how it actually works for the let us discuss components. The